What is up, everybody? Unspeakable Manny here, back with another video. Today we are gonna be playing some more Fidget Spinner.io. You guys actually install this game out. I'm actually beginning to get addicted to it. Again, we're gonna start off a little bit with AI so I can get the hang of it, and then we're gonna play online. Oh no! What? Boy, I already died. Whatever that thing is. I already died and I barely got a chance to move. Okay, I'm pretty far away from the big ones. Okay, let's put the volume up. Oh my god, oh my god! I didn't even see that guy because I was putting the volume up. Boy! Oh, guys, also I bought some new skins. Or like, fidget spinners, as you guys could say. And look, I'm actually gonna play the skull. One more with it. Oh, I would love to start bigger. Oh, 30 seconds. Hopefully you guys are liking this series, guys. Do you guys like fidgetspinner.io? If you guys like fidgetspinner.io, break 2 likes on this video, and I'll make a part 3.
Final Fantasy 15. Download and play now. Free from the App Store.
No. Oh, I started off humongous. Oh my god, look at all those kills I just got right there, guys. I am a beast. I am a beast. Gonna die. I am a beast, guys. I'm not even in the leaderboard yet. I'm in first place! Oh my god, guys, I'm in first place. I'm a badass, guys. Ha 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 ha. You guys suck. You guys suck. You guys suck. I'm gonna try to find those top 2 people in the leaderboard so I could kill them. Look how big I am, guys. Well, I'm playing in AI, so of course I'm gonna be big. But once I start playing with the actual, like, with online, that's where it's actually gonna start. Wait, let me move this up here. What the? Did I just teleport? Am I teleporting? I'm a badass. Whoa, I can't see anything, guys. I'm a badass. I'm a badass. Guys, I'm teleporting or something. I'm not even touching the thing. Do you guys see that? Okay. Once I reach 1,000, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm annoying you with all this spacing thing. But once we reach 1,000 big. Okay, now we reach 1,000 big. We're gonna start playing with the actual ones now. Oh, come on! Shut up. Okay. I got 79 kills. So we're gonna be playing. Go shoot. Oh my god! What the fudge? What the fudge? Oh god, no. If I get to first place right here, guys, I'm officially a badass. Oh no! Please, don't kill me. I'm innocent. This guy's not innocent. Oh, I killed that big one. I am in 3rd place. I'm in 2nd place, guys. I'm in 2nd place. I just saw the guy in 1st place. Oh my god. Whoa. I'm so close to being in 1st place in online, guys. This is so. Actually, I actually started. I'm actually. I can't even say anything right now. I'm actually starting to get really addicted to this game. Hey, I should be. I'm in first place. I'm actually in first place now, guys. Oh no, I'm in second place again. I'm in second place. I'm in first place. That guy got killed. I just killed a guy in second place. Oh wait, no, he's still there. Never mind. Uh, oh, this guy's in third place. I in third. I just killed him. Well, that's bad. Oh, I see you. You just died. I killed a guy in second place. Legit this time. I'm officially in first place. And on oh crap! I accidentally pressed that on accident. I'm officially first place. And I'm officially first place. Oh, I'm officially first place in online. So, does this mean I'm a pro now? Oh, what the hell? What the hell is wrong? The hell just happened? What the? Something weird is happening, guys. Oh, whoa, I'm going really fast now. I'm going in circle. I'm gonna stop now. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Oh, I'm at 1,000 long now, guys. Whoa, I'm a badass. I'm gonna see once if I reach 1,500, I am officially a pro. 1,500 online, and I'm officially a pro. Come on, I could get 1,500. I could get 1,500. I could get 1,400. I just killed them, guys. What the hell? I have 200 more to go. Oh my god, I have 200 more to go. 200 more to go. 200 more to go. Come on, come on. Come on. Wait. Everybody's dying. Oh! There's like 40 more to go. 40 more to go. 20 more to go. 10. I'm officially a pro. I'm officially a pro now. Oh crap, what the hell happened? I'm officially a pro now, guys. Whoa. I go hella faster now. Die. 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 Oh, okay. Die. Oh. Die. I killed so many. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.